Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Well, hello and welcome back to the channel, everybody. I've got a rather short video for you today, one in which Judge Cedric Simpson takes on a sovereign citizen, and, well, it's not very pretty for the Sovtard, as, well, he doesn't know a thing about the law, doesn't listen to his lawyer, and Judge Simpson doesn't tolerate his bullshit. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this freaking S-show on the road, shall we?
Mr. Miller, can you please state your name for the record?
White Miller.
Thank you. And Your Honor, my belief is that my client does want to set this for preliminary examination. However, I am uncertain. He and I have had some conversations, and frankly, I believe he wants to make some statements to the court. I advise him against it, but at this point, I think he wants to talk.
And why should he listen to you? You're nothing more than a lawyer. He's the constitutional law expert and everything like that. He's never had a day of law school in his life, yet he still knows more about the law than you ever will. A man who studied for years to get his Juris Doctorate.
So we're understanding this is a criminal matter, right?
It is.
Okay, so basically, man, it stemmed from a falsality. All this whole thing, I was falsely arrested, something I never did.
Yeah, it says you and every other sovereign citizen and frauditard out there. I mean, that's the song of the idiots out there. I was falsely arrested. And that's on the album of the greatest hits of the Sovtards and frauditors that you can hear, which includes You Can't Trespass My Eyes, Watch It, I Have a Broken Shoulder, and I Was Just Leaving Anyway. You can find those and many more on the Frauditor and Sovereign Citizen Greatest Hits track if it ever comes out. And projections say that the MSRP will be $500 per unit price. Wow, what a bargain that will be. So place your pre-orders now, because sometime within the next decade, it might become a possibility.
I got a sworn affidavit.
Sir, I'm sure your counsel has advised you. I'm going to advise you to not say anything else about the subject matter of the case.
Okay.
If you'd like it set for preliminary examination.
I want to challenge jurisdiction.
You want to challenge jurisdiction?
Yes.
Of whom?
Y'all have a jurisdiction of a case that doesn't exist against me.
On what grounds?
What crime did I commit?
Pardon?
What crime did I commit?
Allege that you committed the crime.
I didn't commit that crime.
If you want to interrupt me, I'll answer your question. But if you want to keep interrupting me, I'm not going to play that way. I'll answer your question. You're accused of the crime of attempted or not attempted, but resisting and obstructing a police officer.
So we all aware that this never transpired, right?
I am not aware of that.
Okay.
Is that all you have to say?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
So, Your Honor, I would ask Mr. Miller. Mr. Miller, I'm not submitting frivolous motions.
Can I get my affidavit put in on the record, please?
Affidavit.
My affidavit of the incident that transpired.
Your affidavit of what?
The facts in the case. My statement of what happened. Can I get it on the record?
There will be an opportunity, if you so choose, if this goes to a further proceeding, for you to put whatever evidence you want into the court. But this is not the time to do that.
Really? So when is the time to put the evidence in there?
If you want it set for a preliminary examination, you'll have that opportunity. And if it proceeds to trial, you'll also have that opportunity.
Right.
So once again, I'll ask, do you want to set this for preliminary examination, Mr. Miller?
Sure.
Thank you.
Not really.
See, do you want to set it for prelim, or do you want an adjournment?
Preliminary examination.
Thank you.
To your knowledge, all discoveries.
To my knowledge, yes, Your Honor.
People have their witnesses available the 24th.
Yes.
We could try for that date, Your Honor. If possible, I might ask to go one No, let's do that date. Thank you.
All right. Preliminary examination in person will be set June 24th, 2025, 9 a.m. That is before Judge Washington.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
You want to get this camera? They will have it ready. I will make it ready.
Court does call the case. People versus John Michael Nowak.
And that is that. You should have listened to your lawyer and just kept your bloody mouth shut, because it made you end up looking like a complete jackass and a total moron. But hey, if you want to be the new Forrest Gump, that's your decision. And we'll just let you do it. And, well, maybe you'll make a lot more money than Tom Hanks ever did on Forrest Gump. No, wait a minute. That's one of the greatest movies of all time, and he made a killing off that movie. So, yeah, I don't think you'll make nearly as much as he did. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
This could be some groundbreaking stuff right here.
You don't want to go to jail.
For what?
You read this.
I don't have to listen to
Read it.
anything. Blah, 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 blah.
Dude, so there's no way I can get in, bro? Come on, I'll put you on my YouTube.
But shut up, Wesley.
You gotta put signs up, ma'am, if it's...
Are you Glenn Serio?
Who's that?